Good morning, students. Many of you have been asking me about the syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2. Till now, there is no change in syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2. Yes, we have the update from NTA-NET, and in the month of January or February, they are going to release the new updated syllabus. But as you are now going to prepare your start your preparation, you have to rely on some source, you have to rely on some syllabus. So we are just going to look at the official website. In case in future, if the syllabus changes, the NTA-NET is going to update the same syllabus on the same website. Alright, so I will directly take you to the website where you can see the syllabus as per 2019. Yes, of course, in 2019 the syllabus was changed. So I will just take you to the official website. In case if there is any change in the future, visit the official website. That will help you figure out what you have to do. So this is the website UGC-NET-online.in. You always have to rely on authentic source. So simply click here on the syllabus section, and as you click here on syllabus section, new tab will open, and here you find that the very first thing is general paper on teaching and research aptitude paper 1. So simply download here, a new tab will open. Get back to the previous tab, and in the next tab you can open the English. Okay, you simply click here, and in these two tabs we have now two syllabus. Okay, so this one is for UGC-NET English literature. It's quite simple. Unit 1, drama, poetry, fiction, short fiction, non-fictional prose, language, basic concepts, so on and so forth. Let's check it out. Paper 1 syllabus first. Okay, everything is written down here. Teaching concept, objective, level of teaching, memory, understanding, reflective. Do make sure that you are covering all these topics if you are preparing for paper 1. Actually, students are not preparing for according to the syllabus. You are not looking at the syllabus. You have to prepare these all topics whatever they have mentioned, and extra you have to do as per your own requirements. All right, so you just see here everything is written here: logical reasoning and all those things. Indian logic, you can see here Indian logic. Upmana. Yes, students have been asking like where UGC-NET is asking the questions, topics like Upmana, Anumana, and all those things. Alright, so that's mentioned in the syllabus. The problem is that we are simply going towards the YouTube videos and we are just randomly watching the videos and writing down the notes. We are not giving enough time to check out the paper 1 syllabus and try to cover those topics that they have mentioned. Alright, so you can cover these topics from a book, from the study material that we provide to you, or there are infinite number of videos available here on YouTube. So simply you write down the topics and you start preparing. Simply search it on the YouTube, like what is the meaning of Upmana, and you can see here evaluating and distinguishing deductive and inductive reasoning, analogies, Venn diagram, simple and multiple use for establishing validity of arguments. So yes, these are the things that UGC-NET is asking in paper 1. The thing is that we do not give time to check out the syllabus because no one has guided us how to download the syllabus. Many of you, I think the students who are preparing for last 6 months and 1 year do not have access to these topics, do not have access to these syllabus. So always visit the official website that I have just mentioned in the beginning of this video. In case if there is any update in the future, they are going to update here. I will take you once again to the website. Let's check it out. You can see here updated syllabus of UGC-NET applicable from June 2019 UGC-NET onwards. You can check it here. All the syllabus are mentioned here. Linguistics is here, and then we have comparative studies in religion. Again, yes, another thing I want to mention here is that students from English literature messaging me talking about, sir, can I do the NET in comparative literature? Even though they do not have the degree of comparative literature, they do not have PG in comparative literature, they cannot do so. Again, linguistics, comparative literature are different subjects. Comparative literature student cannot approach this UGC-NET English literature exam. There is an exam for comparative literature, for linguistics. These are the separate subjects. Do not mingle these two subjects into English literature. Okay, so these are the updates. Do not believe in any random source. Simply visit the official website. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more such updates. I will see you soon in the next one. That's it for this. Thank you.